Hello guys, this is me, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So now we have once again started our forecast videos on the daily basis or maybe on the weekly basis. As you can see, this is gold, and I would love to analyze the gold from a higher time period. Okay, so this is a weekly chart frame, and as you can see in weekly chart frame, the gold has broken down successfully the main resistance level, although I was expecting a brutal selling from that area. Why? Because this was a monster beast, resistance level, but gold has broken down this, and 4 weeks ago it has broken down this, and hence there is no retracement like that. Okay, so this is not a problem. As you can see, this is the chart of gold, and now I would like to apply a Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, so this is Fibonacci from higher area to lower area. Okay, so as you can see, the gold has successfully retraced back from 3791. Okay, so I am going to draw a line on 3791, and the next line I will draw will on the uh, you know uh, which is 3697, and once again the this level, which is 3623. Basically these are the levels, and gold mostly move in a zone to zone. For example, if it will break the gray zone, it will move like in a zone. Okay, so this is a normal pattern by the gold. It love to move in the zones. So now the gold is moving in a gray zone. So if it will reject the zone again and again, then we can see that it will retraced little and then it can go up. Okay, so this is the upper Fibonacci retracement level. So I am going to remove the Fibonacci retracement level now. So these are three areas for me to enter my trade. Okay, although weekly chart frame is a longer chart frame, so we cannot apply any trade on that level. So what to do now? We will go to smaller time period, which is such as H4. So H4, the condition is very similar. So these are the two lines. I am going to draw a zone here. So this is my zone for entering my trade. Okay, so now I am going to remove these lines. Okay, this is a proper zone for entering the bullish trades. If I am going to draw a trend line, first of all, there is a trend line from above zone to above zone. Although you can see here we have a successful breakout here and market is holding above, but if you will try to make a new trend line from lower level to lower level, as you can see, this was a proper triangle pattern, and market has successfully broken down this triangle pattern. Now there are two conditions in the gold. The first, it will retest on that broken area, and then it will go above, which was this target, almost 4000. Okay, so the scenario number two is that the gold may fall again on that support level, make a double or triple bottom period, and then it will go up. Okay, keep in mind this is a longer time frame. Okay, so although this is a greater target, so I will love to divide the big target into the small chunks, such as 3840 3920. You can draw the smaller areas like that, but the main and ultimate goal is that the gold is in the bullish direction. Okay, so this was according to week 1 and H4 method. So let's take a look on the H1 time frame also. Okay, so on H1, basically as you can see, this was a proper resistance level, and the gold should test this. The gold should test this before or maybe on the Thursday, because it was very near from that point to from that point to retest this. If this will happen, this will become a beast zone to enter the buying trades. But now this condition is very dangerous. This is, what is this? This is actually a double top pattern formation, and as you know, when there is a double top pattern formation, the gold, the any asset will try to move in the selling direction. So what is the solution for this? Simply you have to mark the double top formation just like that. Okay, and you have to make your trend line from upper zone to upper zone just like that, and again you have to make a trend line from lower zone to lower zone. So basically we are in the same condition if the gold is going to reject these trend line or maybe these trend line. Okay, there are two trend lines. If you will analyze the gold properly, the gold can farm on this, the gold can touch this trend line, or after that it will go up. Scenario number one. Scenario number two will be the gold will fall on this trend line, and then it will test its major support level, and then it will go up. Basically this is the proper areas of gold right now, that there is no selling right now. You cannot sell the market. Definitely you can sell it for a shorter time period or for a retracement level. What is retracement? As you can see, there is a double top formation pattern and you have entered your trade for a shorter period of time. Okay, but there is no continuously selling here. So the ultimate trend is buying. You have to find the buying. There are two levels of buying. First, this level I have already make on the chart. The second level is this beast support level. I am waiting, eagerly waiting for that support level. Once market tests this, I will enter my trade, or this will be a proper support level to enter my trend, because this is a price action based strategy, and as you know, price action is the main thing here in the forex. Okay, so if you have liked this analysis, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much for your love and time. Take care.